guys, I welcome you all to yet another video of Two States Junction. This video will really be helpful and useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell button for future notification. So let's get started. I'm going to list out 5 ideas that is useful for you to start a small scale business. But do remember one thing, any business of that sort needs your time, effort and a great amount of determination for you to succeed. I'm not going to share with you all any part-time job websites sort of things. So this is purely based on your skill that you can choose from. So let's get started. Idea number 1. Are you a good artist and you would love to play with the colors? Then you can become a mehendi artist. There are certain things that you need to remember before you start it. Point number 1. If you are a self-learner, there are a lot of YouTube content that you can search and learn by your own on how to draw mehendi on the hands and the legs. So if you're not a self-learner and would need a guidance, there are a lot of mehendi artists who are ready to teach you how to do mehendi and even the cones, and you can search them on the YouTube or Instagram and you can find the right persons. They hardly cost you like 2,000 to 3,000 to get all the basic designs, and even the cone making sessions will be included in that, so you can make use of it. Point number 3. Once you are sure on how to draw designs on hands and the legs, you can find your nearby friends or relatives or flat members and do try on their hands free of cost, so that you can build your confidence. So once you are confident that you can do this as a business, then please put an ad on either Quikr or Suleka and or the Facebook or Instagram, so that you will get few clients immediately. And then you can charge somewhere around 200 per hand for a basic designs, and you can start slowly. You can also consult some beauty parlors or marriage event management team or a marriage caterer who can sign up with you and call you when the occasions are needed. So mehendi can give colors to all the small occasions, starting from a birthday party, Karwa Chauth, to a big functions like a marriage and whatnot. You can really do a good business with it. If you are you can also visit beauty parlors and few marriage caterers or even management team to sign up with you for the marriages, that you can do mehendi for them, and this way also you will get a lot of customers. Once you become a pro and you are convenient to draw any designs, you can easily earn 50,000 minimum for a month. So you should definitely give it a try if you are capable of it. Are you good at marketing? Probably you can give this as a try. You can easily become a reseller. So I will give you an example. You can buy a bunch of earrings from a place where they do a wholesale business and then pack it and resell it. There is a huge super site called India Mart where you can register yourself for about 2,000 rupees a month, and they will distribute your ads to the correct customers. So once you get the customers, all you have to do is just get what all they want, put the photos that really attract them, and then you can pack and send them. By this way you can make 3 times of profit of whatever you get. This is such a good idea, right? So definitely give it a try. You can even showcase your products in exhibitions, and there are a lot of IT parks who allow product sales around 3 to 4 times a month, where you can register yourself, book a slot, and the whole day you can do sales there. This is also a very nice chance that you can build your business and have good customers for you. Number 3. This is a very common and known thing for everyone, which is nothing but tailoring. So this job will definitely not put you down, because even if you don't earn it, you will not spend money for stitching your own clothes. That's nice, right? Yeah. Investment for a tailoring job is that you need a machine for sure, which will cost around 10k. That's surely a good investment. So once and also you need to learn how to do tailoring. There are a lot of classes in and around your area, or the famous stitching brands who do classes for tailoring. You can also find some government agencies doing that, so I can probably find one. If you are very much interested in that, I will put another video of that kind. Blouse designing is always and always on demand throughout the year. So once you are good at it, you can also become a fashion designer in a long run. By this way, you can get a steady income for your house. So give it a try. Idea number 4. Are you good at cooking? So you can try the small scale business which I'm going to tell you. As this pandemic has taken over the world, I see a lot of vegetable shop rising now and then, which is very demanding now. You can start making some readily available foods, some mixed powders, papads, something like that, and you can ask these vegetable vendors to make branding for you. You can give them a small amount and ask them to find customers for you. Definitely, a good product will always have good customers, and slowly you can improve your business this way. Definitely give it a try. Idea number 5. This is for professionals who have a degree and doing a homemaking right now. So there is a website called White Hat Junior, which I recently found ads on the FB, which is like really useful, and they are hiring teachers. So you need not be a teacher to do this part-time job. The eligibility that is required is a degree and a good English speaking skill, so that you can apply to this job. The interview process, they have 3 rounds of interview. All the 3 rounds are demo interviews. They will give you a set of PDF for each interview, and you need to go through those PDF and try to teach the kids. That's all. So if you're good at teaching, and if you can make the kids engage, and this is the right job for you. All they ask is some 30 hours of work per week. You can find more information on their website. So give it a try, guys. So my ladies, you're just amazing, and you're not meant to be wasting your skills. So choose one from it and start earning. Definitely, homemaking is no less job, and managing homemaking and other part-time job would be difficult, but it will become easy one day when people recognize you and your efforts. So give it a try. If you have any queries in whatever things which I have told, and you need more information on any idea which I posted, do comment me, and I'll be very happy to answer your queries. I'm very happy for this video. Meet you again in next video. Until then, bye.